Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone. Welcome back to Cook with Nigar. Today let's prepare very authentic sweet roat. This recipe I learned from my mother. She is no more. I think she is feeling happy seeing from Jannah. Before starting process, small request, please subscribe
to my channel. Please subscribe so that you may get the more delicious, more delicious dishes in further, and even the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon, share with friends and relatives. Come on, let's begin the process. Now, make the dough for the wrapper of the roat. This is 250 grams of all-purpose flour, a pinch salt, little, it is optional, as if you wish you can add or else no need. I am adding little pinch salt, and this is lukewarm milk. Let us add 1 spoon of ghee. Let us make the dough with using the lukewarm milk. Now our dough is ready. Let us cover and keep for the resting sake. Let us keep for resting. Let us fry firstly nuts, adding the 2 spoons of ghee, cashews chopped, almonds chopped, and cashews chopped, pistachios. Let us fry till it became crispy. Now let us take out from the stove. Let us fry poppy seeds. Let us add the dry coconut grated. Let us fry now 2 minutes. Now let us take out from the stove. Now I have added 2 spoons of ghee. Again 1 more spoon I am going to add. Now our ghee is well heated. Let us add the soji, upma rava it is known as. Let us fry till it became a brown. This is 250 grams of soji I have fried. It is well fried. Let us take out from the stove. Now let us sprinkle little warm milk. Mix well. Now let us cover and keep. I have sprinkled nearly 100 ml milk. We had to cover and keep to absorb the milk. Let us cover and keep. Meanwhile, let us fry. This is half cup wheat flour. This is half cup all-purpose flour. Let us fry now. Adding a spoon of ghee. I have added 1 spoon of ghee. Now this is wheat flour half cup. This is all-purpose flour half cup. Let us fry once again. Meanwhile, let's make the sugar syrup. Stove is on. I kept the vessel on the stove. Now I am going to add the 250 grams of sugar. The same quantity what we had taken the soji. 1 glass of water. Let us make the syrup. Now our flour is well fried. Let us take out from the stove. Now let us add in the soji, the flour what we have fried. Now our sugar syrup is ready. Let us add in the soji. Now let us add all the nuts what we fried. Almonds, cashews, pistachios, and this is poppy seeds as well as the grated coconut, dry coconut. This is dry dates. Cardamom powder 1 spoon. Raisins little, and granulated sugar. Now let's add the syrup and mix little by little. Now let us add flour what you fried and the dry fruits, everything we have mixed now. Now let us mix and keep this one for resting sake for 10 minutes. Let us mix well. Now let us keep the for resting sake and to absorb the sugar. Meanwhile, let us make the poppers. Wrappers. Now let us make the small balls of this dough to make the wrappers. Now our dough balls are ready. Now let us flatten and make the thin poppers. Now our wrapper is ready for the roat. Let us flatten in the same way all these poppers, all these doughs. Now our wrappers are ready. Now let us fill the stuffing to make the roll. See how nice it is. Let us take with the hand itself. Let us place here in the center. Use the milk can. Let us spread out. We have to cover one. Let us put one cover, small one. It should be lengthy one, bigger one. This is the smaller one. Now apply a little milk all sides. Now let us cover now. Now let us cover all the. We have to seal the with the milk. Now our root is ready to fry now. Let us fry it. Now let us add the oil to fry. Even you can add in you can fry in the deep oil also. Now I am using only shallow fry. Let us wait till the oil get heated. Now oil is well heated. Let us put now. Let us stir and fry. One side well fried, then only we have to flip it. Let us fry. Now let us flip it slowly. See how nice it is. Now we have to fry in the same way all the roads. Let us complete all the roads. Now let us check whether this side well fried or not. See, well fried. Now let us take out. Thus we have to fry all the roads. Let us do now. Let us complete. Now let us make one more road. This is a smaller size. Upper layer should be smaller. This popper should be smaller. This should be bigger. Now apply some milk on the edges and cover. Let us cover now like this. Now we have covered. We have closed the seal. Now we have to fry. That's it. Close this one. See, we have well closed the edges. Now we have to fry. The wrapper should be thin. It should not be thick one. You see now. Let us fry now. Now let us flip it. our roat is well fried. Let us see. Both the sides are well fried. Let us take out. Now we have completed 2. In the same way we have to complete the rest of the roats also. Let us complete now. Now our roat sweet is ready to serve and eat. Suppose if you are satisfied, if you love this sweet, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share with friends and relatives. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz. Let us cut now. See how nice it is. If you love this one, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.